Here's how to create a QR code for a Google form. First, open Google Forms and select the form you want to link. You can use an existing form or create a new one. Make sure the form is working correctly and accepting responses before creating the QR code. Once your form is ready, click Publish in the top right corner and then select Publish again. Next, get to the link in the top right side and enable Shorten URL. Now, copy the shortened link. Next, go to Canva and create a new design. Click Create a Design, select Custom Size, and enter 1080 by 1080 to create a square design. Once the Canva editor opens, click Apps in the bottom left corner and search for QR code. Select the QR code app, then paste the shortened Google Forms link into the URL field. Click Generate Code, and Canva will create a QR code that links directly to your Google form. You can resize and position the QR code within your design. When you're finished, click Share in the top right corner. Select Download and choose PNG as the file format. After downloading the QR code, scan it with your phone's camera to test it. Your phone should recognize the QR code and provide an option to open the link. Open the link and make sure it redirects to the correct Google form. That's all for this video. Thanks.